In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your pool salt cell. Let's determine what size of salt cell you will need. There are 3 different sizes, and it's based off of the volume of water in your pool. We have the T-Cell 3, which is up to 15,000 gallons, the T-Cell 9, which is up to 25,000 gallons, and the T-Cell 15 up to 40,000 gallons. It will be very important for you to get the correct size so that this will produce the correct amount of chlorine for your pool. The current one I have is a Hayward, and I'm replacing it with this Jacuzzi brand. It's a professional grade replacement salt cell, and it's good up to a 40,000 gallon pool. Now the brand may be different than the one I currently have, but their measurements lined up perfectly, and it saved us about $300 by getting this brand. You can buy this at jacuzzipool.com, or you can buy it from the eBay shop that I used, and I will link it below. This salt cell is compatible with Aqualogic, AquaRite, Goldline, Mineral Springs, Nature Soft, and Swim Pure. It comes with a durable 15-foot cords, chlorine output that's 1.45 pounds per 24 hours, and 2 standard unions at 2 inches. First thing you want to do is turn off the breaker and then unplug the salt cell unit. Now this is the old Hayward salt cell that we have here. You're just going to untwist those fittings, and the salt cell pops right out, super easy. This is what it looks like inside, and we cleaned this on the regular, so I think it was just at its end of life and it was time to switch out. Now this is the new one, the Jacuzzi salt cell. Now we're going to install the new Jacuzzi salt cell system right here. We did use the fittings that were currently there because everything lines up. It is really important to make sure you line up those lips before putting on that new fitting. This will secure the seal. What's great about this process is that there's no tools involved. You just hand tighten into place. Now that we have that unit in place, you can now plug it in. Also, something to note is we did keep our existing Hayward panel, and it works with this Jacuzzi brand. Now you can turn your power back on. We can look at the panel here, and it now says it's generating, instantly working. Now that you've turned it back on and you're now testing the unit, make sure both of those seals are still dry. Now, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit that like button.